Good morning, children. Let's see today's thought. Abhyasena labhate jnanam, which means that we get knowledge by practice only. Children, below the Bhashabhyasaha of lesson number 5, you have one story. The title of the story is Satyapriyah Kashthikah. We are going to study this story today. First, I will read the story. After this, watching this video, you will read the story 2 to 3 times so that you can easily pronounce the words which is given in the story. And after that, you will see the video again and again so that you can understand the story properly. एकः काष्ठिकः काष्ठछेदनार्थं वनं गच्छति. अनवधानात् तस्य हस्तात् कुठारः जले पतति. सः चिन्ताकुलः भवति. तदा तत्र देवः आगच्छति. देवः जले मज्जति. सुवर्णकुठारं गृहीत्वा बहिः आगच्छति. सः वदति, अपि एषः तव कुठारः? काष्ठिकः वदति, न एषः मम कुठारः, न एषः मम कुठारः. तदनन्तरं देवः रौप्यकुठारं दर्शयति. काष्ठिकः तदापि न स्वीकरोति. अन्ते देवः लोहकुठारम् आनयति. काष्ठिकः वदति, आम् एषः एव मम कुठारः. प्रसन्नः देवः तस्मै सर्वान् कुठारान् यच्छति. अहो काष्ठिकस्य निःस्पृहता सत्यप्रियता च. Now, up till now you have understood this is the story of a woodcutter. By seeing the picture given on page number 13, you can see you have learned this story in previous classes. So, let's see this story in Sanskrit. Satyapriyah काष्ठिकः. एकः काष्ठिकः काष्ठछेदनार्थं वनं गच्छति. एकः means one. काष्ठिकः woodcutter. काष्ठछेदनार्थं that means for cutting the wood. Vanam to the forest. Gacchati goes. A woodcutter goes to a forest for cutting the wood. Anavadhanat. Anavadhanat means by mistake. Tasya hastat. Tasya means from his. Hastat hand. From his hand. Kutharah. Kutharah means axe. Jale patati. Jale means in the water. Patati means falls. By mistake an axe falls into the water from his hand. Axe. Sah chintakulah bhavati. Sah means he. Chintakulah worried. Bhavati he becomes worried. He was worried about that. Now what shall he will do? Tada tatra. Tada means then. Tatra there. Devah agacchati. God. Devah means God and agacchati means comes. Then God comes there. Devah jale majjati. Devah means God. Jale in the water. Majjati means jumps. Jale means in the water and majjati means jumps. Devah, or you can take the meaning go in the water, into the water. So the god go into the water or jumps into the water. Suvarna kutharam gruhitva bahihi agacchati. Agacchati means comes. Bahihi out. Then gruhitva means by taking. Suvarna kutharam means golden axe. So God goes into the water or God jumps into the water and comes out by taking the golden axe. Saha vadati. He says, he means who here? The God. Saha vadati, he says, api eshah tava kutarah. Kutara means axe. Is this your axe? काष्ठिकः वदति न एषः मम कुठारः. काष्ठिकः means the woodcutter says न एषः मम कुठारः. No, this is not my axe. Mama means my. Tadanantaram means after that. Devah means God. Raupya kutarah darshayati means shows. He shows him. Raupya kutara means silver axe. He shows him silver axe. Kashtikah tadapi. Tad plus api. Here there is a sandhi. Tad plus api. Na svikaroti. Kashtikah means that woodcutter. Svikaroti means accept. That woodcutter does not accept. That also means the God take out. First the God take out golden axe. Then he says, the woodcutter says, no, this is not mine. Then he take out, the God takes out the silver axe. Then for that also the woodcutter says that this is not mine. Ante, at the end, Devah, the God, Loha Kutharam Anayati. The God brings Loha Kutharam, that means iron axe. So, Kashtikah Vadati, the woodcutter says, yes, Eshah eva mama kutarah. This is only my axe, or this is only my axe. Prasannah Devah, the happy God or being pleased God, tasmai, to him. Sarvan kutaram, all the axes. Yachati, gives. Being happy or being pleased, God gives him or gives him all the axes. Axes means AXES. Aho काष्ठिकस्य निस्पृहता सत्यप्रियता च. Aho means what? This is the expressive word. Kaashtikasya, of the woodcutter. Nispruhata means desirelessness. He don't have the desire that if first at the first the God takes out the golden axe. But the Kaashtikah, that means woodcutter, he don't say that, oh, this is the golden axe, so I have to take it so that I can make money from that. No. Satyapriyata, truthfulness. What? A desirelessness and truthfulness of the woodcutter, or the truthfulness or the desirelessness is great of the woodcutter. Now, here are the meanings. I have given the meanings here. Kaashtikah, woodcutter. Kutarah, axe. Jale, in the water. Patati, falls. Devah, God. Anavadhanat. Anavadhanat means by mistake. Suvarna Kutarah means golden axe. Raupya Kutarah means silver axe. Then Darshayati means shows. Loho Kutarah means iron axe. Then Svikaroti means accepts. Tadanantaram, after that, Yachati, gives. Chinta Kulah, worried. Prasannah, happy. I hope you have understood very well the meaning of the story, the meanings which I have given in the slides. Your homework is, children, you have to write the meanings which I have given in the slides. I will send it by PDF at your group. Then the English translation, you will write the English translation of the story in your copy. Thank you.